What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a compressor change out and a TXV. This compressor started to sound like it had rocks in it, so we're going to go ahead and recover everything, swap out this compressor and the TXV and the filter dryer. So let's get started. Damn, this ain't, I don't think this is it. Oh. Yeah. It's not fucking it. Wrong compressor, but that's for a 3.5 ton. This is a 1.5 ton. So in the meantime, what I'll do is, since this is just a screw-in TXV, we'll go ahead and replace that until we get some sort of confirmation. Let's hope this is the... All right, so here's what we're gonna do. This thing isn't in our area, so what I'm gonna have to do is I'm just gonna button this up. They got the TXV at my local train. Go pick up the compressor. It's currently 1 o'clock. I wouldn't get back till probably about 5, so more than likely we'll return tomorrow to do this. So I definitely didn't anticipate this job taking as long as it did. I was hoping to be done by now to get on to my next calls, but we're gonna have to move some of those calls around. So that's where Jobber comes into play, because I can quickly just go into the app, text the customer, or call the customer, and it'll just transfer to my phone through the business line. So I gotta kind of work some magic here and try and persuade some people if we can push them off to the next day, because the compressor is about 1 hour and 15 minutes away. But if I wait for them, they say it could be here tomorrow afternoon. I don't want to chance that, because then it'll be on a Friday and then they'll be out of... It's a whole thing. But again, that's where Jobber comes into play. With Jobber, everything's in one place. I can quote a job, schedule it, and invoice the customer right there. I can even collect payment while I'm there on the site. And best yet, I can just do it all right from my phone. It keeps the workflow going, especially when you encounter problems like this. That way I can focus on the job, but not so much on paperwork. If you guys are serious about running a business and professional operation, Jobber is the way to go. And if you guys want a 14-day free trial, go ahead and click my link down below in the description, or I'll pin the comment. Trust me, you won't be as disappointed as I am having to drive to go get this compressor. And we're back with the right compressor this time. So let's go ahead and rip this thing back open and finish the job. Ah, there it is. Okay. Nice. Okay. You're going to get a picture of your serial. That way, for your warranty purposes, just take multiple shots, kind of panning around. Now we can install it. All right, we got that looking good right now, so gonna go ahead and go throw this TXV in, and we'll just throw everything under pressure. Now that makes a whole lot more sense. We're in good shape now, y'all. We are in good shippity shape. Don't forget your O-rings, the little Teflon rings there. And we'll insulate the bulb. We're doing it. This job just ain't for me. I forgot my 3/8 fittings. This is gonna be an expansive filter dryer, because this is the only filter dryer I have. So while that thing sits on pressure, I'm gonna go ahead and tie this compressor back down, put the fan back on, get my pump ready, bring that over, button up inside, and we should be good to go. So got about 0.2, so I'm good. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead, release this pressure test, and get the vacuum started. All right, so it's been about 6 minutes since I shut the pump off and isolated the micron gauge. So I'm gonna go ahead and break the vacuum with virgin refrigerant. That's one way to bleed it off. We'll go ahead, zero that out. And like I said, so with it being 6 pounds, 9 ounces, it's going to be 7 pounds. So start bleeding it in, filling her up. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up today's call. Just nothing seemed to go right for this job whatsoever, but we got it done, and that's all that matters. Still practice our best procedures to be able to professionally install this compressor. All started from having a wrong size compressor, not even the right TXV, and then I didn't have the fittings for my press fitting, so just nothing could go right on this job. But the one thing that I have going right for me is I use Jobber. So again, guys, go ahead and click the link down below to let me know what you guys think. And if you guys enjoyed that video, if you could, smash the like button, consider subscribing. All my subscribers, y'all already know, I appreciate y'all. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Later.